Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a topic that I do get asked quite a bit, and that is which side does a door closer go on? This really depends on your application. In general, if you're thinking about it from a security standpoint, if you're trying to put a door closer on an exterior type of door, a door that is on an exterior wall, you're not going to want to mount the door closure outside of the building. It's open to the elements. If a vandal came by, they could abuse it because it's exposed on the outside of the building. Somebody can literally unscrew it and walk away with it. So it really depends on kind of what door application you plan on putting the door closer on. Now, if that door was an interior door or a door on an interior wall, then the door closer could be mounted to the outside of the door because it's still within the building. It really just depends. But what it essentially comes down to is a door closer can be mounted in 3 different ways, and that's top jamb installation, parallel arm mount, or standard/regular, the traditional mount. And the main difference is between the 3 is kind of the location of where the door closer and arm are placed. So with the top jamb installation mount, the door closer is mounted on the push side of the door. So as you push the door open, the spring winds, or the spring compresses, and then when you release the door, it comes back. That is mounted on the top of the door frame on the push side of the door near the hinges, and the arm is attached to the door. Top jamb installation, is very popular on storefront doors where it's an exterior swinging door, so they can't mount a door closer on the outside of the building. So the alternative is to mount it top jamb installation. The other push side installation is what we call a parallel arm mount installation, and that door closer is mounted to the actual door on the push side of the door, and the arm is attached to the lower part of the door frame through a special bracket called a PA bracket or parallel arm bracket. That installation is also popular on storefront installation doors because, again, it's a push side installation where the door closer can be installed on the interior side of the door and not be mounted on the exterior side. But top jamb installation and parallel arm installation, those are also common or can be installed on storefront, hollow metal steel doors and commercial wood doors too. And then the last installation type, and probably the most popular, is the regular arm installation or the standard arm installation. And that's actually mounted the door on the pull side of the door. So the closer body is actually mounted on the door and the arm is mounted to the frame on the pull side of the door. So with the storefront door where it's an out swinging exterior type of door, you don't want to mount a door closer regular mount or standard arm mount because, again, it would be exposed on the outside of the building. But on any type of interior type of door, whether it be hollow metal steel or commercial wood, regular mount is often used and is definitely one of the easier installation types. So I hope this answers the question on which side should I put a door closer on. At Automatic Door and Hardware, we sell our own brand of commercial door closers called the Commando commercial door closer. We have a few different models of it, and it can be installed top jamb, parallel arm mount, or standard regular. We include the parallel arm bracket. It's what we call tri-pack because it can be installed in 3 different ways. So if you're in the market for a door closer, we recommend the Commando door closer. If you have any questions, you can email us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com. I'll put a link below for the door closer, the Commando. And yeah, just kind of use common sense in terms of your door, what type of door you're installing the closer on. Again, the main thing is you don't want to install it on the outside of your building. Always install it on the interior side. So I hope this helps, guys. Talk to you later.